Following the controversy surrounding vlogger Nasir Yassin or Nas Daily and Kalinga tattoo legend Na-Whang Od, a daughter of a politico shared on social media about her experience with the content creator. Louise Mabulo is a daughter of Mayor Mabulo of San Fernando, Camarines Sur. In 2019, Nas Daily came to her hometown to do a story on the Cacao Project which she started. She narrated Nas Daily disrespected the Filipino hospitality when he was invited to the politico's home. Mabulo shared Nas Daily mocked Filipinos and how he exploited Filipinos to earn millions of views. In the same post, Mabulo gave Gracia Paligas, the grandniece of Na-Whang Od, her full support.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.